Flash, come here. We have a problem.
What else is new? Okay, what's the problem today?
There seems to be some rival gang out there. There's a whole plethora of people wearing these red and white suits with white shaggy beards, working for someone called Santa Claus. I'm told that these are his helpers and that they go in department stores and such. And this guy is some sort of pimp, always calling for his ho-ho-hos. Now, we are going to start losing money for our zombie hookers if we don't do something about this cat. And not only that, this is very disturbing. He's always surrounded by little kids. Either they're his future minions undergoing intensive training, or else it could be even worse, and I dare not even fathom that idea. So we have to do something about this Santa Claus and his gang.
Alright, okay, first of all, Santa Claus is not a pimp. He's not calling for his holes, he's laughing. That's how he laughs. He doesn't go ha ha ha, he goes ho ho ho. And what's more, Santa Claus is very altruistic. He runs around giving presents to good boys and girls. You wouldn't know anything about this because you never were a good boy or girl. But just take my word for it. It's not what he appears to be. Santa is so nice, it's sickening.
It sounds despicable.
Yeah, you would think it's despicable. But he's harmless. He's not going to
You don't understand. Don't you see what he's doing? He's trying to buy your loyalty. He's trying to make all the children worship him and love him so that they follow his cult. By the way, yes, the Christmas cult. Don't you see? It's all part of some sort of inhuman, deranged attempt to brainwash children into worshiping this Christmas and all it stands for. Materialism and Christ and all that other horrible stuff.
You know, you're probably right. I really don't know what to say about that. But since you bring it up and it is Christmas, we have quite a few followers. Well, we don't really, but we want to get some of those. No, I don't mean it that way. I mean, I'm talking about Christmas followers.
Oh.
Now, the thing is about a lot of people are Christian and they do celebrate Christmas. And what they used to do to recruit people to your religion is to use some of those customs in our own following, and then they'll join us more willingly. So we need to do some kind of concession to Christmas to get all those Christmas people to join you. Once they're in your thrall, we can break them of these bad habits. But in the meantime, we kind of have to lure them in, and Christmas is a good way to do it. So this is what I think we should do. We need to sing a Christmas carol.
All right.
By doing that, we'll get people to think we're festive, and then they'll join our cause. Are you ready?
Sure.
Let me get the instruments.
All right.
Okay. Are you ready? And the 1, and the 2, and a...
Christmas blows, Santa hose, I blew him away. Everyone sucks, they all gotta die, and they ride a sleigh. Hey! Everyone's gotta be murdered, everyone's gotta be subverted, everyone's gotta become a zombie. They all suck, they must are out of luck, cause Christmas sucks today.
Hey!